We are in Ketchiken almost. Our ship is just now ranging. It's going so slow. Look at the speed. And very slowly we are going to reach. And then you can see the levees and the town, a beautiful town. And my goodness, there are buses and trailers here. That means they go from one island to another one, it looks like. And look at that mountain going up. All these, residential communities, I already said Ketchiken. And they are down at the foothills of those mountains. We don't know. We will go ashore. We will go just leisurely. We will go walk around. And the climate is really bad. And we are just sitting here right now, all of us enjoying our tea, looking outside towards the island and having fun. This is our deed cup of tea, deedwa cup. and just fun. Nice. Jai Shri's pav cup plus pav chaha. And yeah, but it is very foggy outside. I wish I would have had that appetite for tea like Jayashri has, but I gobble tea and they look like floats.
Floats.
Whatever those things are, looks like beautiful houses here. They could be the bed and breakfast here, because I was looking at the catalog and
this is our first stop. After leaving Vancouver, we almost sailed for last 36 hours and reached to this town. It is 6:30 in the morning. 7 o'clock they will take small boats like this. From the ship, these boats will take people to the shore. This is the small town where the ship will be from 7 o'clock till 12:30. We will leave this place at about 1 o'clock. Ahead of us there are another 2 cruise ships. These are the 2 cruise ships. Alaska cruise is a very big cruise. This is one ship, cruise ship. This is another cruise ship. Both these cruise ships are ahead of us.
Asla verilmeyecek.